Hello JPJD Discovery Channel. Our world is changing in ways both subtle and dramatic, and these changes are happening all around us. The Earth's temperature is rising year after year, breaking records and altering the balance of our natural systems. This warming is affecting everything from the shrinking polar ice caps to the bleaching of vibrant coral reefs, threatening countless species and delicate ecosystems. The main driver is greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide and methane, released by burning fossil fuels for energy, transportation, and industry. These gases trap heat in our atmosphere, creating a thickening blanket around the planet. Some people struggle to accept this reality, often because the changes are slow and hard to see, or because of misinformation and conflicting reports in the media. But the science is clear. Decades of research, from ancient ice cores to modern ocean temperature readings, all confirm that our planet is warming faster than ever before in human history. This isn't about blame. It's about facing facts and understanding the evidence that surrounds us every day. Melting ice, rising seas, shifting seasons, and unpredictable weather patterns are all signs of a changing climate. Understanding climate change is the first step to protecting our home, our communities, and our future generations. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the ability to respond to this crisis if we act together. The challenge is great, but so is our capacity for innovation, creativity, and collective action. We must listen to what the science and the planet are telling us, and use this knowledge to guide our choices. On a cold day, you might hear someone joke, "So much for global warming." It's a common reaction when the weather outside feels anything but warm. But that's actually mixing up two very different things: weather and climate. Think of weather as your mood, shifting from moment to moment, day to day. It can be sunny, rainy, or snowy, and it often surprises us. Climate, on the other hand, is like your personality, the long-term pattern that emerges over years, decades, or even centuries. A sudden cold snap or a freak snowstorm is just weather, short-term and local. Global warming, though, is about the long-term trend in our planet's climate, not just a single chilly day. Even as the planet warms overall, we'll still experience cold days and snowstorms from time to time. That's normal. But when we look at decades of data, the pattern is clear. Warm days are becoming more frequent and intense, while truly cold days are less common. A person needs to have just a little curiosity to reach that information right away in our digital era and see the facts. Scientists track temperatures and weather patterns worldwide, year after year, building a detailed picture of our changing climate, and even using cell phone, everyone can access that information right away. When you step back and look at the big picture, the warming trend across the globe is unmistakable and supported by overwhelming evidence. Confusing weather with climate is like judging an entire movie by pausing on a single frame. You miss the whole story. The evidence for climate change is built on global, long-term measurements, not just what we feel outside today. Understanding the difference between weather and climate is crucial for making sense of what's really happening to our planet. The story is clear. Our climate is changing, and it's up to us to pay attention to the bigger picture. Another argument is Earth's climate has always changed. True, but never at the pace we're witnessing today. Throughout our planet's long history, ice ages have come and gone, continents have shifted, and ecosystems have adapted. But the speed of today's changes is unprecedented. Past climate shifts unfolded over thousands or even millions of years, shaped by powerful natural forces like volcanic eruptions, changes in Earth's orbit, and shifting continents. In contrast, today's global warming is happening at least 10 times faster than any natural event in the past, and scientists have pinpointed the cause. The dramatic surge in carbon dioxide since the Industrial Revolution is directly linked to burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas for energy and transportation. This isn't part of a natural cycle. It's a rapid, human-driven shift, fueled by our industries, vehicles, and land use changes. Over 99% of climate scientists worldwide agree. Humans are now the main cause of this rapid warming, based on decades of research and overwhelming evidence. The carbon dioxide we emit carries a unique chemical fingerprint, unmistakably proving it comes from fossil fuels, not natural sources. We're adding a thick, heat-trapping blanket of greenhouse gases to our atmosphere at a rate nature has never experienced before. Life on Earth depends on climate stability. By disrupting that balance, we're putting ecosystems, food supplies, and countless species at risk. Fossil fuels were underground for a reason. Humans are the ones take them out and burn them. The evidence is overwhelming and clear. This change is not natural. It's a crisis of our own making, and it's up to us to address it. Climate change isn't just numbers, it's real life. Farmers face unpredictable seasons, droughts, and floods, threatening food security. Wildlife, like mountain frogs, are disappearing as habitats dry up or shift. Melting glaciers and rising seas threaten millions in coastal cities and islands, 273 billion tons per year, and speeding up every year. Extreme weather, hurricanes, wildfires, cost billions and disrupt lives. Global warming affects oceans and intensifies hurricanes, wildfires. A drought in one country can raise food prices worldwide. Problem with drinking water resources, maybe in next future water will be next valuable diamond due to worsening life conditions. The loss of coral reefs devastates marine life and fishing industries. We're all connected. The health of our planet affects everyone. Ignoring the problem only makes the consequences worse. The challenge is huge, but there's hope. Humans are problem solvers. We've overcome big challenges before. We have the tools. Clean energy like solar and wind is now cheaper than ever. Switching to renewables cuts emissions, creates jobs, and cleans our air. Our daily choices, how we travel, eat, and shop, add up to real change. Using our voices can push leaders to act faster. We have a unique opportunity to build a cleaner, fairer world. It won't be easy, but it's possible. The time to begin is now. Subscribe for more content and share knowledge using digital platforms. Follow at JPJ Discovery for different topics and videos.